All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, and welcome back again to the New York Live. It is 8 a.m. Eastern now. After about 15 minutes, there is some fundamental trigger also going to be coming out, so kindly watch out. Let's run up through the trade setups, five of them, starting with Bitcoin, Euro USD, Pound, Dollar Index, and Gold. And those who are joining us for the first time, a warm welcome to you and enjoy your stay here. Let's get started. This session will go on for a minute, 5 to 7 minutes. I'm trying to keep it very precise and very short for the live trade setups. Uh, so let's get started with the Bitcoin. It is the same chart that we discussed in the last session, the UK live 5 waves, uh, looking to have been complete. And please remember, we are on a daily chart right now. If this wave count is to be correct and if it holds to be true, then we are looking for a meaningful corrective rally all the way towards 6,000 odd levels. And if not 6,000, yes, around the 61.8%. That is, could be wave 4 here as well, if not there. All right, there is an interesting scenario on the shorter time frame if you'd like to explore that as well. So this is the 1 hour chart right from 30th November till date. You can see the smaller degree waves are also looking to have completed 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that resistance around 12,500, the Fibonacci extension, is the 38.2% of waves 1 to 3 actually. There it is, where prices are testing that resistance right now. If this resistance holds and it breaks below 11,600 to be precise, which is fourth wave of a lesser degree, I think bears should begin to cut loose and turn. They should be in control from there on. All right, so we're not trading in Bitcoin right now. We're just watching break below 11,600 would be a very meaningful thing to discuss and play on. All right, coming back to the conventional euros and the dollar index and the pounds. Let's get started, brothers. The structure remains unchanged for at least euro and every one of all the instruments that we've been discussing till now. We are looking for at least a push towards 1.17. Now there could be one change. I mean, we are talking about a Gartley structure A, B and C, right? In a broad sense, there could be a slight change in the sense that prices have found support round about the 38.2% recently. We are not saying that it's not expected to drop, but at least for a short term, we have gone aggressively long. I mean, this is what is the trade setup situation right now. Please remember that's an aggressive long trade. We're just expecting a small sharp pullback. Like if I don't get much into the wave description, could be just a wave X or just a pullback towards the 1900 mark, maybe just about the 1900 mark, and then drop down lower towards the 1700. Okay, we will take a situational review around the 1900 mark again. Bottom line remains either remain short or sell on rallies with a stop loss above 1960 to be on a safer side. If you're an aggressive trader, you can look to go long with stop just below 1800 mark, targeting around 1900. All right. And as always, if you're looking for live intraday setups, and if you are a busy kind of a trader, please do look into joining our Telegram channel. We are aggressively long in euro right now with about 30 points risk, and mostly we are short in pound. That's what you would have been seeing all the sessions that's been discussed till now. We have always talked about shorting pounds, and we made money all the time. But this trade is for the aggressive traders on the long side. We are simply expecting a snap rally towards 3500 if the wave counts that we are looking turns out to be true. The entire drop from 3550, we are taking it as 1 now, right? And there could be a snap rally wave 2 in the form of wave 2. You see, it's 3 up and then 3 down, could be 5 up now. We're looking towards 3500 again. So if you are a safe trend kind of a player, there's no trade set up right now. Please remain flat, look to go on rallies, look to go short on rallies around the 34.75, 35 region again. You should be seeing prices there. Alright, a continued push below 33.50, 33.40 nullifies the counter trend rally that we are expecting, and then prices would actually go and target 32 and 30 and 28 as we have been discussing till now. Alright, so two aggressive trade setups are to go long euro and pound. That's what we've traded right now. But if you are a safe trader, then look to sell euros on rallies, pound on rallies, and dollar index we haven't touched on the aggressive side to go short. What it means is that we are still contemplating prices to go and rally towards at least the 61.8% of the drop from 95 levels. Absolutely, there's no convention that we are talking that dollar would reverse from 94, 10, 20. That's not the case at all. In fact, we are thinking the other way around now. That there is a lot of potential for dollar to rise above 95, reach towards 98. Just to remain on a conservative side, there is a good convergence coming in this form of the 61.8% Fibonacci, the price resistance coming there. All right, and even the extension of the counter trend rally are matching up around 94.10. That's why. But we've not traded dollar right now. We are flat in dollar, but looking to go long again on dips. All right, somewhere maybe around 93 mark or 92.90 again. We should get an entry to go long till the time. In short, till the time prices remain above 92.50, look to go long dollar index. And the next chart is gold. We're trying to keep these trading sessions very precise and very focused on specific trade entries. Okay, that's the reason I'm going a bit fast. There's only one potential structural change. I repeat, sir, it is just a potential structural change, if at all. A complex correction has been taking place since 6th of October, to be precise, with dates. More or less until yesterday, we were of the belief that 1299 is the meaningful top which is being formed, and there is no reason to decline that at this point in time. But the wave structure is wave 1, 2, and I think not even wave 3 is complete, and prices are bouncing back. Now if they continue to drop, they find resistance around the 68, 69, maybe 70 region, and they continue dropping lower, no problems at all. But if it rallies or continues to rally from here, and God forbid if it touches 77, that's a resistance zone, 1277, the first resistance zone here, then wave structure might be changing for something else. That's why we are flat in gold right now. We are watching. It's not that we are aggressively long or something like that. We don't want to buy right now, but we're still watching. We are flat in gold. We're watching closely. Want to sell on rallies, or maybe we might have to change our stand if 1277 is taken off. At this point in time, gold trades flat for us. Okay. So in short, there are some counter trend setups playing around the corner, specifically Euro USD, GBP USD. Also the dollar index looking good, but we haven't traded that. At least for now, we are long Euro USD and pound, but that's an aggressive counter trend that we are trying to play. All right. Bitcoin we are watching, and gold also we are watching. All right, so let's bring this session to a pause again, and you may want to write to me if there is any question or queries. Kindly visit the web page that's being built up for updates. Quite a few updates should be coming up this week with the sessions, number of sessions, and also the training program that I plan to launch. Also, if you're liking the trades here that we're discussing, kindly consider joining the free Telegram channel at this link. All right. So once again, thank you for joining, brothers, and good luck to your trades. I'll come back again in the UK live tomorrow, 2:30 AM Eastern. Until then, please take care and God bless. Goodbye.